Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. So this video is for those people who want to learn Suryanamaskar, who want to practice Suryanamaskar, but because of the flexibility issues, because of the age issue, they are not able to practice Suryanamaskar properly. I teach this type of flow when I get people who are of old age and I'm teaching them Surya Namaskar. So if you feel Surya Namaskar is difficult for you, try these movements and slowly you will see you will be able to practice Surya Namaskar smoothly. So yeah, without any delay, let's start the practice. So I'm going to basically break down the movement of Surya Namaskar, flow of Surya Namaskar into small pieces. So first one, inhale, stretch your arms sideways, exhale, bring it down in Namaskar Mudra. We are going to repeat it again. Inhale, stretch your arms up, exhale, bring it down in Namaskar Mudra. Again, inhale, stretch your arms up, sideways, take it up, exhale, bring it down in Namaskar Mudra. Stretch arms sideways, up in Namaskar Mudra, bring it down. Inhale again, stretch it up. Exhale, bring it down in Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, up. Feel the stretch as you take your arms up. Exhale, bring it down in Namaskar Mudra, close to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Okay, the next one. So in this, as you inhale, arms up, take it back, stretch back, exhale, return. This is the second posture of Surya Namaskar. Inhale, arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Inhale, up, bend back, exhale, return. Inhale, up, bend back, exhale, return. This movement I have also taught you in Yogic Sukshma Vyayam, 21 days of learning. If you have not followed that practice yet, start from that. I have taught you from zero how to start practicing yoga with Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. Alright. Next, inhale, arms up, bend back from the upper body, and as you exhale, stretch forward, bend down. Place your palms by the side of the feet if you are able to. If not, just hang your body down. Keep your knees straight. Again, inhale, arms up, bend back. Exhale, bend down. Remember, knee has to be straight. It's okay if your palms are not touching the mat. Inhale, up, bend back. Exhale, bend down. 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 Now, from here we are going to move to the next movement. Okay, I have to adjust the position of the mat for the next one. So again, we're going to start from zero. Inhale, stretch your arms up, bend back, exhale, bend down. Now from here, move your left foot back as much as is comfortable. Stretch it back, look up. The left knee will be touching the mat. Now bring it back, exhale, inhale again, take the right one back and hold. Exhale, bring it back, head in, knees straight. Again, left one back. Whichever leg is going back, remember to keep the knee down on the mat. Exhale back, inhale again, right one back. Hold. Again, bring it back. Inhale, left one back. You're slowly teaching your body the asanas that comes in Surya Namaskar. Slowly, teach yourself. Again. Exhale back. Inhale again, left foot back. Bring it back, exhale. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale. Inhale, left one back. And now take the right one also back. Let's move to the next posture. Parvatasana. Now drop your knees down. Inhale, look forward. Let me adjust the position. Exhale back to Parvatasana. Inhale, drop your knees down, look straight. Exhale, Parvatasana. In Parvatasana, look towards your navel. Inhale, drop your knees down, look straight. Exhale, Parvatasana, look towards your navel. Inhale, knees down, look straight. Exhale, Parvatasana, look towards your navel. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, look towards the navel. Inhale, knees down, look straight. Exhale, look towards your navel, Parvatasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Now, from here, what you'll do, now this one is not there in Surya Namaskar, but as you're practicing, you're preparing yourself for Surya Namaskar, let's add this one, a gentle movement to prepare your back and your arms for the next movement. Inhale, move your head up and back. Exhale, move your head in. Feel the effect of it on your back. Inhale, head up and back. Exhale, head in. See how the back is changing as I'm moving my head up and down. Now next is Ashtanga Namaskar. This one will be difficult for many. So remember to practice this one. You don't have to lie down on the mat. This is wrong. In Ashtanga Namaskar, you have to, from Parvatasana, you have to drop your knees down. Try to keep the arms and thighs perpendicular to the mat. Now, from here, do not try to move your body forward. See, this is not perpendicular, this is perpendicular. And do not try to move your elbows outward. The elbows will move inward and you'll push your body forward. Try to drop your chest down just in between the palm. Practice it. Do not move the elbows outward, move it inward. If you're not able to bring the chest completely down, see how low you can get. Just prepare your body. Keep bending the elbow down. Keep bending the elbow inward, pushing the body forward. You're basically preparing your body, preparing your elbows, understanding the movement. Slowly, slowly, the body understands what you want to do. See, I'm training my body. Now, see, the chest will fall in line with the palm. And now from here, slowly bring your keep your feet relaxed and move your upper body up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. In now. Relax. If you feel you are tired, you are done, you can relax in Shavasana and conclude the practice. After some days, if you keep practicing this flow till this time, you will slowly be able to practice further. Now, as a next movement, what we are going to do, we are going to inhale up in Bhujangasana and reverse everything that we practiced. From here, okay, I'm not prepared yet, it seems. So, yeah, place your palms by the side of the shoulder, little bit behind, both palms in one straight line. Inhale, pull your body up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, go to Parvatasana. This I taught you. Now, from here, bring the right foot forward. It's okay if your foot is not coming in between the palm, even if it is little bit inside to the palms, it's fine. Just see how much you are able to bring it forward. Exhale, both legs together. Inhale up and bend back. Exhale, namaskar. Let's do one round of Surya Namaskar now. We'll go slowly. You have done all the movements individually. Let's join them together. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, stretch forward, bend down. Now from here, take the left foot back, look up. Now from here, okay, somebody is here to disturb me. From here, take the right foot back, exhale, Parvatasana. Now from here, I taught you, drop your knees down, look forward. Now bend your elbows inward, bringing the chest and chin down in Ashtanga Namaskar. Now, keeping the feet relaxed, pull your body up in Bhujangasana. Exhale. Come to Parvatasana. Right foot forward, inhale. Both legs together, exhale. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, Namaskar. Other side, inhale up, bend back. Exhale, stretch forward, bend down. Right foot back, inhale. Both legs back, exhale in Parvatasana. Knees down, inhale, look forward. Exhale, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana, pull your upper body up. Exhale, Parvatasana, go on your toes, press your heels down. Left foot forward, inhale. Both legs together, exhale. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, Namaskar. Great, you've learned Surya Namaskar. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. This is how I teach my students who feel their body is very stiff and they are not able to do Surya Namaskar. This is very helpful. Now, do not forget to relax your body in Shavasana. 5 minutes of Shavasana is essential. Relax. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, let me know. I would want to read how you felt after the practice. If you're new, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Keep practicing. Namaste.